Here's one of the more popular year-end models at Unique, especially in classics. Take a look at this one. 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS two-door hardtop or sport coupe. Yes, real deal SS. This is an 854 trim code or 854 trim, which is aqua vinyl interior, and that is SS only. It's also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, factory AC car. Take a look at the front bumper, chrome. Looks good. Headlights, surrounds, grille. Now, as far as the color of this car, twilight turquoise car, and that is a 917 paint code. So looking very much the way it did when it rolled off the Chevy dealer's showroom floor back in 1962. If you want to take a look at the interior, the undersides, and definitely take a look at the undersides, the engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Keystone Classics. Interior, again, aqua vinyl interior. Of course, bucket seats with the SS. 327 underneath the hood. Error correct 327. It's an SA suffix code, which is 1962 automatic AC car only. So this is 100% error correct engine in this car. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome, the iconic rear end on the 62. What a great look. And once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As we take a peek up and down the driver's side. Look at the bright work. How straight it is. Lines up. It's not full of pitting, dings, dents. Yes, in the paint there's a few minor little spots with maybe a chip here or there, touch up. But other than that, very nice condition. One, get in, turn the key, drive it, have some fun in your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows, and look at how the panels and the body lines on this line up and fit. Believed to be original miles in the upper 70s. Cannot confirm or deny that. Once the car becomes so old, on the title it just is marked exempt. Take a look at this interior. Very stock looking interior. Very error correct. Over 100 pictures of this car online. And once again, take a look at the undersides. Absolutely beautiful. You'll be able to see the data tag. You want to look and do any decoding yourself, you'll be able to see a picture of close up of the VIN there. You want to look at any of that, be more than happy to do that. And I have had the AC compressor turn on and off. Blows cold. Again, power steering, power brakes. 327 paired up with that automatic power glide. See how easily it starts? Now, I played around with this radio a little bit. It's like a retro style radio. I have not had that work. FYI, it powers up, but I have not had it working. There is a little aftermarket gauge cluster down here with oil pressure, as you can see, and then also vacuum. I have had the wipers work. Wipers work fine. Take a look at the top of the dash. Padded dash was actually an option that was included on this car, which you can see on the cowl tag or the data tag. Headliner, great shape also. Nicely, that door closes and fits. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. No crazy exhaust, nothing over the top. All right, let me slip up here, just pop this hood, take a little peek at the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's a shot underneath the hood. Look at how nice and tidy and clean this engine bay is. What you'd expect, very stock looking. Goes along with the rest of this car. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, nicely equipped. You can also see the AC has been converted, no longer R12, so it is 134, but seeing those fittings. I have had that compressor kick on and off. Newer battery as of June of 2022. Can't say enough about this car, folks. Check it out close in the still pictures. Better yet, come see it in person. If you can't see it in person, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Take you right there. Remember, open door policy. If you want an inspector to come take a peek at it, if you can't, no problem. Schedule one. Not a problem with that at all. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.